If you're a Tesla fanatic or just interested in the latest and greatest in autonomous driving technology, you might be wondering about full self-driving, or FSD for short. At its core, FSD is designed to enable Tesla vehicles to navigate including parking, lane changes, and even relatively complex urban environments without driver intervention. To be clear, FSD isn't a fully autonomous driving system. Rather, it's a suite of advanced driving features, many of which are still being developed, that enhance the driving experience and make it easier and more convenient than ever before. Some of the key features of FSD are automatic lane changes, advanced parking, and the ability to navigate on autopilot through busy city streets. One of the most exciting aspects of FSD is the advanced neural network that powers it, which uses data collected from Tesla's huge fleet of connected vehicles to learn from real-world driving experiences and improve its driving skills over time. While FSD isn't yet perfect, the technology is still in beta testing. It's clear that Tesla is at the forefront of autonomous driving development, with a vision for the future of driving that is both exciting and revolutionary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.